All right, so let's continue. If you have your textbook, I just want to show you in your textbook. On page 459, first of all, they have the 3 rules, which I'm going to go over in a second. So these are the rules for drawing reference rays, okay? And I'm going to refer back to these when I go over the homework. But what I want to show you is on the next page, okay, on page 460, here's all my scenarios for ray diagrams. So here, an object is at infinity, okay? So here the object is a pencil. So if the object is beyond the center of curvature, okay, what's going to happen is the rays of light converge and the image is formed between the center of curvature and the focal point. The next scenario is the object is on the center of curvature, and we see how the image changes because here the image is upside down. That means it's inverted. It's smaller than the object, but I see it's real because it's on this side of the mirror. For this scenario, I see the image, so this is the object and that's the image. The image is the same size as the object. It's inverted, and it's also real because it's on the same side of the mirror. So we're going to learn how to do these ray diagrams, which are really simple. Okay. Over here, you see here that my object is between C and F. And here, my image down here is larger than the object. It's inverted. And then it's real because it's on this side of the mirror. This scenario, my object is on the focal point. And I see that my rays don't converge, so there's no image that's formed. And then the last one, it shows the object is between the focal point and the mirror, but here the image is on the other side, so this means that it's virtual and it's larger than the actual object. Okay, so these are the different scenarios. So we're going to learn how to draw these, and then we're also going to learn how to do it mathematically. Okay, so going back to the notes, here are my different scenarios. And this is the one equation that we're going to be using over, well, we have 2 equations. But this is the one that we're going to be using in this chapter and the next chapter. 1 over F, 1 over the focal length is equal to 1 over DI, the distance of the image, to 1 over DO, the distance of the object. And then the next one is the magnification. You know how sometimes you look in a curved mirror and it looks bigger? That's magnified. So something can be magnified larger or smaller. So the magnification is HI over HO, and that's equal to negative DI over DO. So H stands for the height, so the height of the image over the height of the object. Okay? And this one's easy because you can sing a Disney song that goes along to that tune. What's a Disney song that would go along to that? Think about the Snow White.
What does M stand for?
Okay, M stands for magnification. M is magnification. Okay, then here's some examples in our notes using the equation, but we're going to go over this when we go over the homework right now. So we're going to start the homework right now.